He's going to show me how exactly they make the poison for the bows, the arrows specifically. Can you explain to us what's going on right here, right now?
So there is a mix of it called tuba root. This is special mentawai roots that they usually for to make a poison for the arrow.
This right here.
The black one, this one,
Root.
the black one, the roots.
Okay, so that's the root of a tree.
And
Daro.
the other one there is also ginger.
Jag-
Paya baklaw.
Anannya aja ini. Oh,
Here.
anan iya aja ini.
And also the other things they use this all.
Ini hajun.
This is the ginger.
That's the ginger.
Yeah.
And this is the tree.
Dagi.
That's
Ini
the
ya.
that other root is called dagi.
That's the root.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the other things is chili, small chili.
Okay, so
So-
how many ingredients total is that?
So there is four ingredients that they combine all them together, and then later they will make like a natural chemical for poison.
It's not technically poison
Ada
until
bubung
finished,
halal
right?
That root, tuba root, the black one, it has poison inside. Even that root itself, for example, if you take that root and smash them until and then you put in the river, the fish will die, but you're not allowed to use it here. Yeah, it's poison.
Why do they add all the ingredients in it
Yeah.
if the root already is poison?
Because ginger and chili to make it hot and burn. So once enter the monkey or deer blood, they will make an effect like burn and pain, right? So that's why it make more faster.
Faster. Okay. So they just pick more ginger from their garden. Now he's gonna smash it.
Hmm.
You can see it's not much. You just squeeze that juice out of there. It's not much at all. Okay, so is that the finished product or no?
Not yet.
Not
Now
yet.
you have to put in the arrows.
Okay. But right now it's currently poison. The poison's finished.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's actually pretty quick.
You also make a small amount of poison, right? If you need to catch a big animal, they will make
More.
more. So there is two type of arrows that he usually use for hunting. The big one they use for big animals like a wild boar, deer, even python. Sometimes they call it this. This is like a bullet. So once they shoot monkey or deer, wild boar, and wild boar, this one will break. So they stay with the animals, right?
Yeah.
And then this is just for a single one-time use. This one more heavy because to shoot that on the ground. And the other one also basically same, but they don't have metal, but more light.
Right now he's putting the poison on. He's just brushing it on.
Oh, nan to mali na le.
Hmm?
Marui pe aku lagi.
And how many arrows? It looks like he can do a fair amount with that. If it's okay if he don't put poison on maybe one or two of them, so I can practice.
Practice.
Yeah.
Teo.
Sweet.
And I
Tunu.
boboku.
Oh, tak nai.
After this you can try.
Okay. Thank you.
Tak bara dagi na ya.
Tak nai. Oh, tukut, kut.
He doesn't have all his arrow with poisons, so he doesn't have one. But he will make it quick for you later before he kill the pigs.
Oh, he'll make an arrow.
Yeah.
Okay. And where does he get not the stick, but the actual arrow part?
For the jungle, they cut the palm tree, still a family of palm tree. They take the hardest part in that tree, so they make it.
It's crazy. The
Ale, jangan
Arrow
sampai
comes
jangan
from a
sampai.
tree.
Tiba ya.
I will show you later the trees.
is it nearby?
I think they also use for the house. The other one,
For the mosquito.
to dry poison.
Okay.
So I will dry them with fire.
Okay. As you can see, this is their old house. They used to live here, but it's abandoned now that they have a new one. Just here, I think we just come here because it's safer for the poison, so it's not.
Masih
Yeah, he always make poison here
Yeah, it makes sense.
since he has a new home.
Yeah, he don't want the poison there
masih
with
banyak.
his family.
Later after that we will kill the pig, and then before that you will make one single use arrow
Oh.
for you, then you can practice.
Okay.
So that
Thank you. Thank you. Now you just dry the poison on the arrow. And how long does he need to dry it?
Just 5 minutes.
So 5 minutes will take it dry. Take it to dry, then he'll be done. That's all it is a quick process to make the poison. Just finished drying it, and now he's just gonna put it in his bamboo. And now he will show us exactly how he makes the arrow. They're gonna let me practice.
Kubuan na mapiat nyoragita so ichapan purut.
Did he say?
So he said we don't make really sharp, and then just for practice,
practice, yeah.
just practice. We make different thing, not
yeah.
like a sharp. He don't want to take a risk
The risk, yeah.
because
Okay,
you
no
know
problem.
many peoples.
Oto bobo le takut.
So we will make something like different, but it has no. It's the same thing, but it has no like you know not sharp. It's not really sharp.
Yeah, just for practice.
Just
No
practice.
Problem, no
Okay.
problem. And this is the arrow he's making.
Mm.
We already have the sticks. So right now he's just going to make the arrow.
Bobo kut siya gaw nan.
He said, usually I use this to shot the bird.
So for different animals, he makes different
Yeah,
arrow.
different arrow.
Ala le do ka kebunum bebel urap mai ba. Oi nan. Unara ko gulay.
Does it very quick.
Really quick.
It's a natural. Okay, and you can see this. He's biting it. Okay, so he bit the inside of it, so he could easily put that in there.
Bobo kut siya gaw.
This is to shoot birds.
Okay.
Sirimanua tak mati. Kok
If shot you, it's not gonna hurt you, make cuts on you, but it's swollen.
For the bird, it will hurt.
Yeah, well,
When he shoots the bird, it looks just like this.
like this,
Just
exactly like this.
Okay, okay. Can you have him show us how to use
You
it?
got kipai dah.
okay what?
Oh, good shot. Yeah. Okay. Wow! First shot. Let's go.
Wow.
Not bad, not bad. I'm a natural.
One more.
Try shoot the arrow.
This time I will shoot Iru.
Yeah, you're right.
No.
The other side, the other side.
Oh, okay. It's kind of hard to get it inside. It's raining now, so it's slippery. Can't do it.
No?
It's raining.
Ah, too slippery, ah.
Too slippery. Can't do it.
No?
Slippery. Rain.
Ah, yeah, too slippery.
Let's see if he can do it in the rain.
O, si Papayo pa nakakyaw.
It's easy for him.
Wow.
Yeah, finished. Thank you. Oh, he wants to try. Iru wants to try?
Yes.
Yeah. It's hard in the rain, I'll be honest. It's slippery. Have you tried before?
Yep.
Yeah? Okay, let's see.
I will put it in my ass.
Dry it.
Dry it.
Nah.
Give me
In my dick.
Nah. I told you it's hard in the rain. No. That's enough of the bow and arrow vlog. See you guys on the next one. Signing off.